Blueberries are one of the most popular fruits. If you are a fan of this fruit, you might wonder, do blueberries need to be refrigerated? They are great to eat on their own or add to different foods such as pancakes, muffins, cake, and smoothies. Blueberries are a delicate fruit that, when not properly stored, can easily become perishable. They can become mushy and even moldy if they are not stored correctly. However, with the proper storage, they will be able to last a couple of weeks. How to store blueberries? To keep them fresh for as long as possible, the best way to store blueberries is in the fridge. Storing them in the fridge will help prevent the berries from developing mold or going mushy. Blueberries should be stored in a container while in the fridge to help keep them fresh. Mesh produce bags are another great way to store your blueberries. They will help keep them fresh for even longer than plastic containers do. Using a breathable container or mesh produce bags allows for better circulation, which helps keep the berries crisp. Using an airtight container can trap moisture, which can lead to bacteria growing on the berries. Blueberries are delicate, and once they are picked, they won't be able to last very long at room temperature. In addition to keeping blueberries in the fridge, you can also freeze them as well. Freezing them is a great option if you like adding blueberries to smoothies. How long do blueberries last? At room temperature, blueberries will only last for about 1 day. After that, you will notice they will begin to wilt and lose their desirable texture. Storing your blueberries in the fridge is always the best option. In the fridge, they will last for around 10 days in a breathable container. If stored in a mesh produce bag, they can last for up to 2 weeks. In addition, you may freeze your blueberries for 6 to 10 months. For best results, lay the blueberries flat on a tray and place them in the fridge for 1 hour to let them freeze. Then, you can place them in a Ziploc bag and return them to the fridge. You can also freeze your blueberries in the container they came in. This is a better option if you plan to freeze them for only a short time. How to tell if your blueberries are still good? Like most fruits, blueberries can go bad quickly. Even with proper storage, they don't always last that long. However, proper storage in the fridge is the best way to keep them good. Good blueberries should be firm to the touch with a nice blue color. It is all right if they are slightly soft, though they may not taste as good. If the blueberries are soft and mushy with discoloration, the blueberries should be disregarded. In addition, if there is any sign of mold, you should throw them out right away. Before you eat your blueberries, you should always wash them. Ideally, you should wait to wash your blueberries until right before you eat them. Additional moisture can cause blueberries to go bad quicker than normal. If you are using your blueberries for baking, pat them dry before adding them to your recipe. The additional moisture from washing them can mess up the texture of your baked goods. Using fresh versus frozen blueberries. Both fresh and frozen blueberries are great. Though most people enjoy eating fresh blueberries, some love snacking on them when they are frozen. Since blueberries aren't in season year-round, having frozen ones on hand is great for baking. Typically, they are in season from May to August. However, you can find frozen blueberries available all year in stores, or even freeze your own as well. When using frozen blueberries, you don't need to thaw them first if you are adding them to muffins, pie, cake, or smoothies. However, if you are making pancakes, it is best to thaw your blueberries first. Health benefits of blueberries. Not only are blueberries delicious, but they are one of the most healthy fruits. They are low in calories while being packed full of nutrients. Oftentimes they are referred to as a superfood due to the many health benefits they possess. Blueberries are full of antioxidants. They possess one of the highest antioxidant levels out of all fruits and vegetables. These tasty little berries can even help to lower your blood pressure too. They can also help prevent heart disease, giving you a healthy heart. In addition, they can also help maintain brain function and even improve memory. They can even help people manage diabetes while also being beneficial for your skin and while even helping to prevent cancer. Blueberries are a great way to get vitamin C as they have 24% of the daily recommended value. Fresh, delicious, and healthy blueberries. If you are a fruit lover, you will want to know how to store fresh blueberries. Your blueberries should be kept in a breathable container or mesh-produced bag in the fridge. By storing them in the fridge, they will stay fresh for up to 10 to 14 days. In addition, you may also freeze your blueberries as well. They can be frozen in the container they come on or a plastic bag for up to 10 months. Freezing blueberries is a great way to keep them on hand all year long. They are great for baking or even snacking. Fresh blueberries should always be washed before eating or baking. When baking, be sure to pat them dry after washing. It is best to wait to wash them until right before using them to keep the moisture levels down when storing them. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.